Hello my Dazzling Beauties, welcome back to Pink Pretty and Sparkling. How are you ladies doing today? So for today's video, I'm actually pretty excited. As you can see, makeup is done. Yay! It's obviously not a Pink Pretty and Sparkling video if I don't do my makeup and then run out the door because I have to go to work. I know, that's just how my schedule is. Work, let's not even talk about work, okay? Work has been kicking my butt this last couple of weeks, so I know a video is long overdue. But here it is. I'm finally happy. I hadn't played with makeup for like about 2 weeks or so, so I really wanted to play with makeup. This beauty right here, it's in my eyes today. And let me tell you, I am so in love with today's makeup. I know, I probably say that with every makeup I do, but there's just something about this beauty. I mean, the packaging, everything. Look at that sparkle. Oh man, all that glitter. I mean, the packaging is all glittery. I don't know, I loved it. I knew that I had to have it in my collection. It's a cool tone palette. Okay, so anyways, let's go ahead and open it up. I didn't use the new brush today. This is what it looks like. I don't want to fold it. Okay, so I'm just gonna fold it a little bit right here. So I got the new brush right here. I'm just gonna take it out. Okay. The only thing that I forget to show you in the video is that I use this color right here called Twig. I use it on my lower lash line. This is just like a gray color, but it does make a difference. So you'll see that I use, of course, rose quartz. It's on my lids. I love that color. Out of all the rose golds or rosy ones that they have made, I think this is my favorite one so far. I think. I mean, I still love all the other ones, but I love how this one looks. Honestly, I do. I love it. I love how this looks. I mean, I don't know, but I'm in love with it. So anyways, I won't spoil it anymore because you'll see how I use the shadows here in a little bit. So this video is a little different. You know, I was a little bit in a hurry, so I was like, no. I was having some technical difficulties. I almost didn't film it, but I mean, I was like, okay, you know what? Let's just go ahead and film, you know, the steps that I did, and then we'll go from there. So I hope you ladies love it. Please like this video if you like this tutorial. Share with someone you love, or someone that may have the Sultry palette. If you don't have the Sultry palette, you should get it. I mean, look at these colors, come on. All these colors are beautiful. I mean, and I have pearl in my inner corner. I don't know if I showed that in the video either. I don't remember. See, I was all over the place today. If you're a collector like me, you should get it. But I mean, it's up to you. Okay, well, you ladies enjoy the tutorial. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I do the best that I can to be here every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you ladies on the next one. Goodbye.
So I'm gonna start using this eyeshadow. I think that's an eyeshadow. It's a Hershey ABH. The name's right there. Sultry palette. Just read it. I don't have to tell you the name. Alright, I'm gonna put it on my top of the eye. I really don't know what I'm doing or what I'm just gonna wrap it right there. Oh yeah. Right there. Yes, keep doing it. Yeah. Just keep doing it. You just look yourself in the mirror and just do it yourself. I really don't have to tell you this. You guys are ladies. Come on. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go fast. I can't speak that fast though. You're going too fast. Hold up. Slow down. Hey. Okay, you just keep doing it. Yeah. Okay. Now it's going too slow. Oh, so I'm gonna go slow. Okay, now I'm doing normal. I'm gonna talk normal now. Hold up. No. I'm looking at this eyeshadow. I'm gonna grab a little something else. I don't know what I just grabbed, but I'm just gonna name you a name. which I think it was rose quartz. I don't know what I just said, but I think it's rose quartz. I'm gonna put it on top of my eyelashes. I think those eyelashes, whatever those things are called, and I'm gonna put them right there. I'm gonna grab that little brush and pearl. I was so far out of the name. Pearl, it says it right there. So you gotta do it slow, and as you see, I'm gonna go a little bit faster. Okay, well, I'm going too slow. So I'm gonna showing you a brush right now, and I'm pointing at that's backwards. Bloom. I think I'm pointing at the bloom. So I'm gonna use the bloom, and you're gonna use it right there, not too close to the eye and not too far from the eye. You gotta go back and forth. Just gotta do it like a coloring book. I think you have used a coloring book, so just try not to get out of the line. That's all you have to do. Like, get a brush, get a paint, and then don't get out of the line. It's right there. Bloom ABH Sultry palette. And then now we're gonna go fast. So in case you didn't see it, I'm gonna slow down now. Okay, it's right there. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing it. I don't know why, but I love doing that. I love doing it. I love doing my makeup right there. Yeah, that's right. I'm not gonna move. I'm back and forth. Yeah. Okay, right there. I'm done. Now I'm gonna show you my eyes, and then I'm gonna show you the palette. Then I'm gonna switch to another color that says, I really don't want to say that name wrong. It starts with B though. Birch. Okay, I knew what you were thinking about because I was thinking about it too. And then I'm gonna put it on top of that pink color, and then I'm just gonna go back and forth. Try not to get on the pink color I just did. I don't remember the name it was, but you just wanna go back and check the name because I don't really know. Okay, I'm gonna use the glitter now. Oh, I love glitter. It's called what? No, I mean, let's go to glitter right now. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of the glitter in your finger, and then use that finger that you put your glitter on and put it on your eyes. Not like your actual eyeball, no. You gotta put it on top of your eyes. And then I'm done with the glitter, and I'm gonna use something called rose quartz, and I'm gonna use a black brush. It's that black, and then I'm gonna put it on right there on my top of my eyelashes. Right there. It's like you just rubbing the glitter all over though. It's glitter with pink, and you just gonna rub it, like touch it a little bit, and then touch it a little bit more. Okay, now I'm gonna use something brown. That one is called dystopian, and then I'm gonna use a lot smaller brushes. So that one's smaller, and then that's where you're gonna paint your eyelashes. You're gonna paint your eyelashes like that. Just paint your eyelashes like you don't paint like you don't care. Just paint them like no one's watching. Yeah. Just paint it. Keep painting it. And then after that, I'm gonna use some other color because my face doesn't have enough colors just yet. So I'm gonna add another color, and it looks like it's black. And you just gonna put it on top of your eyelashes again, because you you just put a different color in there, but you just wanna mix it up. Right, you just wanna put another color, and then you're gonna use a big brush to get something out of your face because it was bothering you right there. And then you're gonna get a smaller brush and you're just gonna keep painting your... Why do you keep painting your eyelashes though? You just put like 3 different colors from there in there. Like, come on girl. Yes, keep doing it. Don't open your eyes too wide because you gotta get some colors in your eye, like your eyeballs. And I don't want that. You have to be safe with those all mixing up colors. Okay, then I'm gonna get a different brush, and you're just gonna keep mixing it up, and then that's the end result. And there it is. I'm gonna turn a little bit slow to the other side so you can see both eyes. And then I'm gonna open my eyes right there. And then there it is. Ladies and gentlemen, if you see what I see, it's a beautiful end result with a palette named Sultry. Oh yeah. Can't do better than that. Oh no. I cannot. Thank you for watching. This has been PrinkPrettySnaps. Bye bye.